What's the meaning of criminalization? Criminalization. Criminalization.
Criminalization. Criminalization. Criminalization refers to the process of making an activity or behavior illegal and subject to criminal prosecution. The result of criminalization is that individuals who engage in the criminalized activity can be arrested, charged, and possibly convicted for violating the law. This often leads to punishment such as imprisonment, fines, or community service. Criminalization can have both intended and unintended consequences, including reducing the occurrence of certain activities, creating a black market for prohibited goods or services, and disproportionately impacting marginalized communities.